Today, we invite you to immerse yourself in the dynamic world of agricultural machinery that pushes boundaries and sets new standards. Get ready to witness a showcase of innovation, marvel at the latest advancements, and explore the sleek designs of modern models. Join us on this exhilarating technological adventure as we uncover the extraordinary innovations that shape the future of farming. No need to handpick every single plum. This fruit tree shaker can help harvest these juicy plums in matters of minutes. Even more impressive, this truck can shake the fruits to fall without having to stop at any specific tree. Look at this giant potato harvester. Its amazing operation mechanism helps collect up to 7 tons of potatoes and filter out the dirt almost effortlessly. An ingenious system that takes the burden of carrying heavy watermelons off of farmers. Thanks to this machine, pumpkin seeds can be separated from the flesh at a low labor cost. A product of technological ingenuity, this machine gives the plants a few good shakes as it goes through them. And here come delicious raspberries. Look how the lavender disappears under this lavender cutting machine. With spades that spin at up to 2000 RPM, lavenders are cut and collected with high efficiency. This fruit harvesting monster moves past the grape plants and voila! Not a single grape are left. With a header that spreads 50 feet, more than 15 meters, this gigantic combine harvester has updated features that allow up to 460 bushels to be harvested. The robot may be small in size, but plays a great role in helping farmers, picking ripe strawberries with its detection system. This transplanter ensures precise placement of the Brussels seedlings while minimizing labor and maximizing productivity. With just a few shakes to get the fruits collected, this fully automatic fruit harvester is the savior in this huge orchard. Here's a close-up of the machine in action. It's so satisfying to see this cotton harvester does its job so neatly. Picking green tea leaves has never been easier with the help of advanced technology. super intelligent little robot can detect ripe grapes and swiftly cut them off the plants. Too tired to separate the white from the yolk yourself? Well, this system is the answer for your problem. These beautiful tulips have to be cut to cultivate the bulbs. That's when this machine comes in handy. What a well-designed, cutting-edge system to pack the tulips! Technology and automation can turn corn plants into silage in the blink of an eye. So impressive! Picking this gigantic tomato crop is no big deal to this equally colossal machine. Look how efficiently it runs. Baby tomatoes are treated more delicately with this AI-operated robot that can spot and pick the ripe ones. This truck can pick up, filter the dirt, and convey a massive number of onions, all at once. It saves farmers so much time and labor. This machine not only collects the carrots, but also cuts off their leaves simultaneously. All that humans have to do is drive. Another technological marvel that's been introduced to mass cabbage harvesting, making it much less time-consuming for people. With these machines, digging yards of peanuts can be done in no time. Once the peanuts are laid on the ground, this monster truck will sweep through and make sure not a single one isn't collected. The three Vogel combines and Crop Shuttle 3600 make harvesting this huge crop of cucumbers look like a child's play. This Urey's manufacturing 3-row billet planter proves itself a powerful assistant on its sugarcane field in Louisiana. It looks a simple conveying system, but it's strong enough to support not only their bananas but a whole human being on a motorbike. These rotary tethers are perfect for speeding up crop drying. They can ensure minimal impurity incorporation while maintaining top forage quality. Tractors like these have made it a much more fun and less labor-consuming to turn hay into neat shapes like this. Introducing the G1015 Round Bale Wrapper, a smooth, efficient wrapping solution for your bale. Too much algae and weeds in your lakes and ponds? This Waterbike aquatic harvester will come to the rescue. This peeling machine significantly cuts down on time and labor costs for coconut sellers in Thailand. Plucking tons of sunflower seeds in a short amount of time is a piece of cake, given the right technological and engineering tool. This Cadman irrigation gun may look small in size, but it can keep vast areas of crops even more moisture than your face. This machine is ideal for harvesting small corn crops, making it fun and easy at the same time. Another advanced technology that can execute multiple collectors at the same time. Seeding on large patches of land is no longer a drill with this air seeder monster. Going through a dry spell? This Ultra Air Blast sprayer can make sure that will never be a problem for you and your crops. Technologies like drones are revolutionizing the way farmers approach tasks such as fertilizer and pesticide spraying. For larger crops, this hanky model helps you cruise through your fields with the swagger of a farmer in a sports car. This John Deere truck gives you a tractor and liquid cow manure spreader combo that's as dependable as your morning coffee. Apollo Generation 2 is the dream chicken harvester model for farmers having to deal with hundreds of headstrong chicks. Looking at how the fruits are collected mechanically, this harvester by Karen proves to be the best choice for blueberry plantations. The red radishes are picked up in masses, separated and tightened up again by one machine only that combines all these functions. Once this marvelous tech monster is in action, no citrus fruits are ever left on the plants after it passes. Christian is a green asparagus harvesting machine. It has an automatic cutting height adjustment for the correct cutting result. More interestingly, the entire machine is driven hydraulically. Farmers once had to toil away to transplant the rice seedlings to the field, but technologies like this have made it less labor-intensive. This Laotian hot chili reaper has rendered large-scale harvesting substantially easier to carry out for farmers. Automated harvesters are equipped with cutting-edge sensors and GPS systems. The built-in crop divider, reel, and knife work together so that we get dirt-free rice. Tavel's flying autonomous robots have literally flying drones to accurately spot and pick any ripe apples in sight. They look like Medusa's head, but in a good way. Bigger apple plantations require more drastic solutions, like this bathroom scrubber-like harvester. This huge mower has a travel length of 38 feet and a travel height of 13 feet, giving it the incredible ability to cover 22 hectares per hour. A combination of 3 mowers results in a working readiness of up to 13 meters and maximum efficiency for this Krone model. This milking machine cuts a full day's work down to less than 2 hours. More importantly, the cows seem to like it that way. You're witnessing the world's first mango auto harvester, developed in Queensland. Still a long way to go, but it sure will take the back-breaking labor of humans. This is how machinery is used to collect juicy oranges in the middle of the city without causing much fuss. This new designed self-walking garlic combine harvester not only picks up the garlics, but also removes leaves and dirt, making them ready for packages. Of agriculture, advanced machines have sparked a remarkable revolution, transforming not only our farming practices, but also laying the foundation for a more sustainable future for an ever-expanding population. Thanks for watching our video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.